Okay, the registration is getting to be a very busy place this afternoon now that it's opened up. Here with John Fuller. Now you're going to be doing a session. It says right there you're a speaker on your tag.
Yeah, I guess I am.
So what's your session about and when is it?
Well, I've got a couple customer sessions I'm going to be working with. One of them's on AMS Device Manager and how it is utilized within the plant to help out with reliability. And another session's on SIS integration with Delta V and AMS Device Manager. And they'll be, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at various times.
Okay, so what should they look, somebody that wants to look in the program and find your session, what should they look for?
Well, that's a good question. AMS Device Manager would be the track, or asset optimization would be the track for either of them, as well as SIS. And look for John Fuller, Dan Addison from Terra, or
Terra Nitrogen?
Terra Nitrogen, they just changed. CF Industries, there we go.
Sorry.
Got that wrong. And Jody Miner with LyondellBasell.
Okay. Thanks, John. Here you are looking at the big board. You know, what kind of sessions are you looking for this week?
Looking for little AMS, Delta V, still getting out of our Provac systems.
So, talking to Ray Walker from Savannah River Nuclear Stations. Now,
Nuclear Solutions.
Nuclear Solutions.
Yeah.
Okay. So, is this your first time at Emerson Global User Exchange?
No, this is my third event.
Okay.
And here this week really to find out as much as I can about the new wireless. We're putting in a wireless application at our facility. It's the first one on the site, and I'm trying to get as much information as I can on that application.
Okay, what kind of instrumentation are you thinking of using, or is it an instrumentation application?
It is an instrumentation application. We have several facilities within our fenced-in compound, and they have a lot of analog instrumentation that's outside the actual buildings. And what we're trying to do is minimize our operators having to go outside, especially during inclement weather, to take all these readings. Some of the equipment they have to climb up on, and so there's a safety issue there for them climbing up on top of equipment and things like that to take readings where they're little tablets they actually have to record all their readings on. So that's one of the big things we wanted to do with it, was to minimize the risk to them, to make it more efficient and more safe.
Okay, so are there any specific sessions you're looking for?
Actually, I just want to take a look at everything around here. So many things at the event to look at that we have an interest in. I'm just here to get as much as I can. I'm going to be a sponge.
All right, well, thanks, Ray, and have a good week.
All right, thank you. You take care.
Mostly wireless, probably, and AMS. And where we're going with Delta V, so.
Wireless backhaul, wireless instrumentation, what?
Instruments, yeah.
What industry are you in?
Oil and gas,
okay.
Pipelines.
So, see that they have sections on intelligent field control. Well, that's more upstream, but are you past?
We're on both sides of it. We're on both sides of the fence, so.
Okay.
We put in multiple Delta Vs throughout our assets to do our process controls. And we're starting to implement them more into the pipeline division.
Okay.
So trying to see what tools are in the box that we don't have that we can possibly bring in to help pull it all together.
Okay. So what sessions are you planning on hitting? Some picked out already?
I was looking, there's several picked out. I don't recollect the names of them, but there's mostly on the migration portions of it.
Okay.
We're trying to look to see.
Do some upgrading from older systems?
Definitely, most definitely. Most definitely got a lot of old Siemens. We're trying to see if they built a platform yet that can easily bring them in without doing a $3 or $4 million change out, possibly just changing some hardware on the front side.
Okay. Well, have a good show.
Thanks.